Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are always healthy. Let me introduce my group. First, me, Yuda. Second, Ilyas. Third, Alia. Fourth, Nadia. And the last, Vivi. I am a representative of Group 6 from class 70. Today, we will present our poster. If there are any mistake in word or sentence, please forgive me. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.